Yeah, alright. It goes like this, alright? Sometimes in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend, I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long, 'cause I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If there are things you need to borrow, for no one can fill all of your needs if you don't let it show. Lean on me. That's right. When you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long, so I'm gonna need somebody to lean. Chris, you can take this one here. You just call a brother if you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. You just might have a problem, but you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long, so I'm gonna need. That's right. Somebody to lean. I like the last verse. If there is a load too hard to hear that you can't carry from right up the road, I'll share a load if you just call me.